Tanisha and the hissing brake. One day, Tanisha was driving when she noticed that every time she hit the brakes, it made a hissing noise, causing her great fear and concern. She inspected the brakes herself but found nothing. Turning to the internet for help, she discovered Acero Automotive, a website offering live chat and calls with expert auto mechanics. Tanisha promptly engaged with an online mechanic who helped diagnose the issue, provided advice, and arranged for a mobile mechanic to meet her in 20 minutes to fix the fault. Now, let's discuss the hissing noise in brakes. Cars often produce various sounds, and a hissing noise during braking is one of them. This sound may indicate a disconnected or leaking vacuum hose near the engine or problems with the vehicle's serpentine belt. Specifically, a hissing sound while pressing or releasing the brake pedal is typically attributed to a leak in the brake booster, potentially caused by issues with the booster diaphragm, master cylinder gasket, or vacuum hose. To address this, it's crucial to seek professional inspection. Solutions include checking and topping up brake fluid, replacing worn brake pads, examining the brake booster for leaks, and maintaining calipers. Prompt attention to these issues ensures optimal brake performance and overall vehicle safety. If in doubt, consult a professional mechanic for a thorough assessment. Finally, Tanisha's car has been fixed. She tested it, feeling relieved and happy. Grateful to Acero Automotive, she recommends it to every car owner and driver.